day after Diwali, the oil marketing companies have revised the prices of commercial LPG gas cylinders, effective from today, that is. And the cost of 5 kg free trade LPG cylinders for smaller commercial use has been increased by 15 rupees. Meanwhile, let's tell you, the rate of 19 kg commercial LPG gas cylinders has been increased by rupees 62. So with the updated rates, the retail sale price for 19 kg commercial LPG cylinder now in Delhi is rupees 1,802. That is effective from today. Now, this price revision will directly impact restaurants, hotels, and other commercial establishments that utilize these cylinders for daily operations. Remember, this marks the fourth consecutive monthly hike in the price of the 19 kg LPG cylinder. Commercial LPG cylinder prices have surged by 144.5 since March. This is despite a one-time reduction of 30 rupees in July. Now, despite the increase in commercial LPG prices, there has been no change in domestic LPG cylinder rates, offering some relief to households, that is. Nikhil Lakwani, my colleague, joins me for more. Nikhil, as far as the situation is concerned, of course, it's going to be pinching the pocket. But what more do we know behind the reason for this move?
Well, the reason is something which is awaited from the side of the oil marketing companies, but this comes into the effect starting from today. That means the prices have already been incorporated and the reflection of the same is for about 62 rupees. And now the retail price for the commercial gas cylinder of the 19 kg here in the capital city will cost about rupees 1,802 rupees. So there is clearly a hike of 62 rupees. And as you have rightly mentioned, Nivedna, that there is no change as far as the domestic gas cylinder price is concerned, which is usually of 14.2 kg. But clearly this is going to make some of the major impact, although the decision has been taken after the festival of Diwali. But clearly a major impact on the pocket is something which is expected. And also we are hearing from the different commercial avenues and particularly the restaurants and the eateries as well, that in the days to come, the impact of the same will also reflect on the menu cards as well. Back to you.
Right, Nikhil. In fact, as you pointed out, just to draw perspective in terms of the timing as well, when you were reporting earlier, you said it's a good and a bad move as well. If you could help us draw more perspective on why you thought so.
Well, now that the festival of Diwali is over, so the decision comes into effect starting from today. But we are hearing from the sources within the oil marketing companies that they in fact withheld the prices for a long time now. They were awaiting for the festival to be over. Had this price change came into effect before the festival of Diwali, then the impact would have been, much larger, because many of the people, they usually go out to purchase sweets and the other items as well. So it would have had a major impact across the nation. But now, keeping all those factors in mind, the impact of the same, the reflection of the same is going to be starting from today. This comes into effect starting from today. And to reiterate all those details which are coming in from the side of the department, the oil marketing companies, they have taken a major call, a huge call, where the reflection of the amount is for about 62 rupees. And now for the 19 kg commercial gas cylinder here in the capital city, it is going to cost for over about rupees 1,802. But the statement is something which is awaited from the side of the oil marketing companies. They have not recited as to what exactly were the factors behind when they were mulling over the same. But the change of the price comes starting from today. So the reflection will also be seen in the days to come. Nivedna.
Right, Nikhil. Thank you very much for joining us with more on that, and of course also sharing perspective. But for the moment, we'd have